Hello, I'm doing the review on the yika spring AK47 airsoft gun. This is my first gun. I'm new to all this, so I don't know much about it. Well, yeah, I kind of do. It's a 20 round clip, but this puppy now won't fit in other AK47s. So now I'm gonna try. And it has pretty good detailing actually, but this paint, all the woodwork thing, fake. Looks orange now, doesn't even have the little wood signs like the stock does. Stock comes right off. I have a stockless gun. All plastic, completely plastic. Everything. The only metal part is the spring and some screws, but for the sling, but I took them off. I don't even have any sling. Connects here, and another part here, but I took that off. Comes with a little rail, so you can put a laser, front grip, flashlight. Mine didn't come with anything like that, so I had to buy it manually. Plastic breaks pretty easily. Orange tip, you can put some electric tape or whatever you want, paint it black. Adjustable aiming, from far to close. This broke on me, now it's just metal. It hurts every time I was cocking it, but fuck it. Real man handle the phone. Shoots on like shooting rate 250, I think. FPS. I'm not sure though, but it's a pretty weak gun. It won't go through cans from far away. Not even from point blank range. I like having the stock on. The sling, really cheap when it came from the box. I just barely put it on a couple seconds. I had it with my gun. This broke also. This is crap. Aiming's good. It's pretty accurate. If you know how to shoot it, it's pretty accurate. I shoot it from far distances. I hit cans pretty good. Let me show you how weak it actually is. From point blank range. Let me get to pull this thing down. To load the BB. Actually, it fits like 600 BBs in there. Close it up. You pull the little thing down. And there's a hole there. I don't think you can see it. No. But there's a hole there, and you just start shaking them, and it fills up. You have a loaded clip. Load this BB in. Load it to the gun. I think I got it. Nah. I think I could get it. Let's find a can to shoot. Alright, here's a can. Sorry people, stupid BB didn't load. How to do this differently. It is my first gun ever. It went a little through. See? There's a soda dripping right there. I better clean that up, but damn it. Well, it is my first rifle. Let me drink this thing. Messy. Overall, it's a good rifle. Good for beginners. I recommend it for beginners, but for pros who like to shoot each other, nah, it's not that good. It won't reach that far. Well, that's been my review on the AK47 yika. Okay, thank you for watching.